As you enter this house, you will see beautiful views of the waters of Harrington Sound, with a dock, diving board, and access to swim. The living room features a fireplace, and the room is circular in design, providing lots of natural light. This room opens to the beautiful gardens. And the north wing features the master bedroom, with ensuite bathroom, kitchen, dining room, laundry, and powder room. The south wing has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office. The lanai can be opened for outdoor or indoor relaxing, and the garage provides extra storage. Call for more information today. Contact Karen Brine, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in Bermuda, for more information on this listing.